So there. Let's talk about the hotel because I don't know what to say.
The hotel. All right. So the hotel is like a temporary building that Hyundai is probably still building right now.
Because the hotel on the facilities, I guess, is sold out for the next 5 years. I think that's something like that. So Hyundai decided to flex pretty hard and just build a temporary hotel, and we're not convinced that it's a real thing because no one's seen it.
Well,
we've temporary. It's like it's called a tent.
Yeah, an aluminum tent.
No.
Yeah, it's a tent.
What's going on back
I don't know.
there?
There's something else going on over there, which
You guys
is
good?
oddly more exciting than our conversation.
So yeah, let's see how nice this tent is.
Yeah.
Temporary hotel. All right, so the Hyundai pop-up hotel tent
It's our home for the next.
is officially a thing.
Okay.
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
So room 87.
Thank you.
Can you sign here, please? After the 180. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go check it out. I'm 108. Oh, I got an N unit.
Ooh, I don't know if that's better or not.
First one in. I don't think anyone's been in one of these yet. I'm kind of nervous. Oh, it's inward. No, what? Yo! This is dope.
Got the whole kit.
I feel bad because these walls are thin and I'm gonna make some weird noises in the middle of the night. Can you hear that?
Are you doing the clap song? What's going on?
Oh, you can hear that?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Well, actually, if you notice, Jimmy, there's no ceiling.
Oh my god. That's crazy. Okay,
This is a
wait.
cubicle.
Well, what do we got? Oh, it's an air mattress. Whoa. The big question is, can I fit?
Oh,
horizontal?
lengthwise, you might have to rotate this bed
Like-
to be kitty cornered here.
Yep, we got all my essentials. I got my toothbrush, enough soap to wash one ass cheek. I got a night light because I'm scared of the dark.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
Multiple
We
functions.
got beard oil.
For real?
No. This is gonna be weird, but I'm excited. I wonder if yours is any different.
No, I'm sure it's not.
B. Oh, you're not far. Where are you? Marco. Marco.
I got an N unit as well, man.
Nice
Not
work.
bad.
Hey, your wall's not falling down like mine.
Well,
I'll make it fall down.
no. Kick my wall down.
Sick.
All right, let's check it out.
How do I look? Dude, blue? It looks good on you.
Well, it makes my eyes pop, right?
Hey, you're a pretty boy.
Dude, do I look legit? Do I look like I work at a Hyundai? Do I look like a race team guy?
We get to fall asleep to the noise of race cars passing by. All right, so it's like 6 o'clock here, which means it's about 12 o'clock home, I think that is. So I'm gonna edit the video from yesterday and hopefully have it up for like 3 o'clock. I guess you guys would already know by now. It's the middle of the day. We finally settled in, obviously in our little refugee bunker over here. And honestly, we're just here to have an amazing time and try to take you guys along for the ride. So, all right, so it's day one, sleeping in a cubicle. It's a lot of drunk Germans just shouting things that I don't even know what they mean. And it's still really bright and loud outside. The wall is collapsing. So my neighbors can see right in. It's so awkward. Yeah, I took a lot of melatonin, so hopefully we fall asleep soon. But they did give me some sleeping tools. Here we go. This will get me right. Alright. See you guys in the morning. So guys, day 2 at the ring. Today is the official start of the 24 hours of NURBURGRING race. I can't pronounce. We're running on like 5 hours sleep once again. There was like a rave happening last night.
Yeah,
It shook the whole building.
Germans like to walk in at like 1 o'clock in the morning and scream.
Oh yeah, it was a whole thing. Yeah, I don't want to go over it. We'll try and film some of it tonight, but today we have no set agenda. The race technically doesn't start until about 3 or 4. I believe. Three. There's people on the track. There's other classes running right now, but for the 24-hour race, basically every class is allowed. It's going to be an awesome shit show.
Yeah, I think there's some practice going on right now. We just watched some R8s whip around.
No idea what to expect, but we're just gonna start walking around and check things out. We really have no agenda. When we see something cool, we'll break it out, and I hope it's entertaining. So, sounds fair enough?
Yeah, why don't you guys come along for the ride?
Off to the left up here.
We're just gonna hop in line and pretend like we're supposed to be here. We got in, boys. Yes, yes, yes. How did we just make it through that?
Unreal. We're on track now.
This is crazy. Right, what are you doing? Yeah, we're not supposed to be here at all. The key is have a camera.
Pretend like you belong.
Yeah, just don't make eye contact with anyone and they don't question it. We're in the premises, so we might as well see what else we can get into. So we'll see if we can get into here. This is supposed to be a VIP lounge, but we're past the first gate, so let's hope there's no more.
We are, but got in the VIP, boys.
Definitely not supposed to be here at all.
We just convinced the girl up front that we were.
A language barrier really helps. It confuses people.
Our name wasn't on the list, and I was like, I don't know, I'm here, I belong here. She believed me.
Oh, this is sick. This is so cool.
We're the only people here under the age of 50.
Alright, so we managed to get into one VIP lounge, and we definitely were not supposed to be there by any means.
No, we were questioned like 3 times.
Just act confident, and it goes a long way, I guess, but we're definitely not getting into anywhere else. The Hyundai ribbon right here definitely helped for sure.
For sure.
But it was cool. Now we can say we were in one of the viewing boxes at the at the ring, you know?
Exactly.
Another check off the list. We've been running around all morning going crazy. The race hasn't even started yet. And we were supposed to actually hop on the track as a passenger for one lap on an I-30N, but we missed it, which really sucks. I said yesterday we were going to do it, but whatever. It's kind of hard. This place is huge, and there's very little transportation, so we got caught up. But it's whatever. So we're going to go back to the hotel, probably edit this, and wait for the race to start. And it's going to be going for all the way through the night, which is going to be crazy, so we probably won't sleep.
Yeah, no, we're going to be hearing the sounds of cars ripping by us.
Which I'm not upset
all
about.
night long.
But between the last 3 days, I have literally 8 hours of sleep. Like not even being sarcastic. The lack of sleep is real. So we've been having fun so far. We have our little cubicles, which is definitely a crazy experience. And we got to sneak around and do some cool stuff around here.
Absolutely. Got a little mischievous, but you know.
Yeah, whatever. I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna head back now and go from there. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Take care.
All right, so we're back at the hotel. It's about 12:30 our time, which means it's like 6 7 o'clock. I forgot what the difference is. Eastern time, but I'm gonna edit this so we have a video for you today, and then probably take a nap. So we'll see you guys tomorrow with the rest of today and the rest of the race, and go from there. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far, and if there's anything you guys want to see, let me know, because I'll check the comments and we'll figure it out tonight.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because that's going to be amazing. The actual full 24 hours.
If I end up waking up from this nap, I'm gonna
way
pass
too
out. So if you guys want to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. Be awesome.
Have a great night.